little Christmas. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Oh, 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 oh.
Welcome YouTube, it's your girl Mickey Molly, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to fix a broken nail. So yeah, we're just gonna get straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing we'll need is a tea bag. You can use any tea bag you have, it doesn't have to be a specific type. Right here you see I'm using green tea bag, a green tea bag, because that's what I had. Okay, so next we need some nail glue, and I use this Kiss nail glue when I'm doing like my press-ons or anything. So this is the nail glue that I use to fix my nails when like my natural nail is broken or anything like that. Next we need a tweezer, and you guys are gonna see what we need a tweezer for in a minute because it's kind of hard to explain, but it's basically just used to place the tea bag on the broken nail to make sure you have just a more detailed placement of the tea bag on the nail. Next you're gonna need a base coat, and it doesn't necessarily have to be a base coat. You could also use a top coat on your nail after you add the tea bag to it. So yeah, you're gonna need just like a clear nail polish or anything like that to coat the nail after you put the tea bag on it. I'd also recommend having some scissors on hand just to be able to cut the tea bag and get everything to be nice and neat. You'll also need a nail clip or a nail file. Yeah, so make sure you have that on hand as well. So I just start by cutting the tea bag into like a rectangle shape just so I can place it on my nail easier. And yeah, you guys just see how kind of transparent or translucent, I don't remember, one of those. But yeah, you guys see how the tea bag is, and it just makes it really easy to mend the nail with the tea bag just because of how the texture of the paper of the tea bag. So I really just place glue directly to my nail. So I just brush like a little bit of glue to my nail, and then I place the square, the tea bag square or rectangle to my nail, and I just flatten that over with the tweezer and make sure it's just seamless. And then I'm gonna go ahead and place some more glue onto the nail to just bring it together. Like you guys see how like when you put the glue on the tea bag paper, it just melts into the nail, and I don't know, I really like seeing that. But yeah, I just try to melt the paper onto my nail. That way it's just very seamless and effortless. It doesn't look like I have something on my nail like very obvious, but if you look really closely, you can see it, but it's not super obvious. So I just cut the excess off, and then I just go ahead and try to file the sides just to file the paper away and just get my nail to be smooth, like smoother, not like super rough with the paper. So yeah, you don't have to do this. And I know some people also add like 2 layers of tea bag paper just to be safe. So that's something you could also do, because I only added 1 layer. So yeah, adding 2 layers is also a good idea just to be really sure that your nail is not broken anymore. So yeah, that's basically what I do, and that's just me after I added the tea bag to my nail, and I haven't added nail polish or anything to it yet. So you guys gonna see it's kind of like a nail band-aid. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put my base coat onto my nail just to finish everything off and have it nice and just the way I like it. But yeah, so that's just how I do it. I just paint the nail, and now I have a non-broken nail. But yeah, that's how I fix my broken nail, guys. Yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. I hope you use this tip if you have a broken nail, and I hope it helps you. I hope this helps somebody. But yeah, thanks for watching my video, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.
Like a drum on a beat, it's just like a secret. So you feel wine till you look off your back, look off your back, look off your, look off your, look off your back, okay, look off your back, look off your back, look off your, look off your, look off your back. Tell me what you got to do.